Hello friends, and welcome to today's video where I will be creating this look using the underpainting technique. We're using underpainting technique for very beginner friendly and detail. I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I would really love to have you over here. Thank you so much, and without further ado, let's jump into it and start. Hello friends, and here we are with bare face, nothing on it, only my skincare. And now I'll start with the primer, which is a Danessa Myrex primer. So primer is on. I'll just let it sit for a minute while I'm doing my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm using Armani Eyes to Kill in number 3. This eye pencil is a dry formula. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore. Mine is quite old. So for underpainting, I'm going to use this bronzer from Caia. This is in espresso. It's the deepest that they have, and it's very deep. I'm just going to draw it direct since it's underpainting. Normally I don't do this. I'm just using a smaller brush to blend it. And you don't need to be precise when you're underpainting because you're going to correct it. I just need to add more on my forehead. I look crazy right now, but that's the beauty of makeup. You trust the process. I'm using Pat McGrath concealer. This is in shade MD26. And with the same brush, you can use another brush. I just like to multi-use my brushes. I'm just wiping it on a paper towel. And for liquid blush, I'm using Lancome, the new blush that they just came out with. This is in shade 70. You need to go in carefully with these blushes. They pack a punch. So that's blush and contour together. Foundation, I'm using new Armani Skin Tint. And this is in shade D3. And you need just a little foundation. And I'm just going to work it in my brush. And essentially what you need to do is just go with the foundation in the places where you've not contour or put blush. Then what is left on the brush, just tap it on top. Do not swipe, just go in tapping motions. So you need to go in with the concealer brush and just go over the concealer and around the eye to avoid any creases. And if you like, you can add more concealer. I'm not going to do that. So with the puff, I'm going to use Pat McGrath as my go-to under eye powder. I just take a loose powder. This is Guerlain. This is in shade 4. Just take a loose brush. This is Rafa 30. And I just work it in the cup. Then this is just something that I like to do. You don't need to do this. I take finishing powder. I'm taking from Lotus palette, Hourglass, and I just take the finishing powder from here. And then I just buff my entire face. I'll just use the same palette and I'm taking the bronzer, just like that. I'm just going in with the blush to calm the highlight. I don't want a lot of highlight. I'll just clean up my eyebrows just to correct if there is anything. Eyeshadow, I'm using Byredo. This is Boot Metals in Snow. And since it's like a green eyeshadow moment, I thought we try this one again. I've only used it once. I'm just taking a small detail brush and I want to take this shade here and just start putting that one in my inner corner. And then I'll add the lighter green here. The lighter green here with the same brush, I'll just flip it and put that one in the center. So that one is going on the center lid. And I like to create easy eyeshadow looks. And I'm just bringing it up in the crease. Just still with the lighter green here. Then with this middle shade, the dark one, I want to put that one in outer lid. I'm just blending it into the green one. And with the pointed brush, I'll take the lighter shade, this one in the corner, and put that one in inner way, just to get some light. I'm sorry I had lost my microphone and I didn't even notice. And then I want to try, I don't wear glitter, but there is glitter in here. So I want to try it with this Pat McGrath intensifier thing. Just pick it up with my finger. And let's see how that glitter works. Here's the glitter. I'll just pick it up with a flat brush. Okay, maybe I pick it up with my finger. Uh-oh. Actually, it's sticking. I don't have any fallout, so that's a good thing. Well, that's how it sticks, like on the finger. I think I'll just leave it there. I'm always nervous to use glitters on my eyes. Now I'll just take the brush and use the darker shade just here in the corner. Black eyeliner. YSL, this is a brown mascara in shade 2. Lip liner, this is Swede. This is shade Missy. Then I'm just taking lip gloss. This is Pat McGrath. This is in what? Bronze. Okay friends, so this is our today's look. I hope you like how everything turned out. Please subscribe, like and share this video. I really appreciate you and have a good one. Bye.